Newlong Industrial Company, Limited.
Hello everyone. Today, we would like to introduce the HR-2A model. From the HR series of specialized sewing machines by Newlong Industrial Company, Ltd. Let me show you the specification sheet. There are two models in the HR-2 series, and the HR-2A is a sewing machine designed for overedging the edges of items such as container bags, jute, and polypropylene fabric. Overedging is a technique used to wrap the edges of bags like this, to prevent the fabric from fraying by sewing around the edge with thread. Now, let's take a look at the samples sewn with each type of fabric. This is a sample of a jute bag sewn with the HR-2A. This is a sample sewn with the HR-2A using container bag material. The HR-2A is typically used for sewing the seams of container bags. Finally, please take another look at how the HR-2A overedges the fabric. We hope you liked this video. If you have any questions or would like to request a quote, please don't hesitate to contact Newlong Industrial Company, Ltd.